Hi. So, at the initial start of Chapter 1 of Lippy's paragraph, Lippy references the idea that a uniform body type would impact society in ways that were possibly unforeseen. This could be in ways that could result in the diet industry or the athletic industry, could impact fashion and beauty standards, and ways that ideas of ourselves are perceived in media. The same idea is then compared to language, where what would the world be like if everybody spoke the same language? There were no dialects. Does language only serve the purpose of communication, or in many cases it serves for a feeling of pride in one's own culture? Um, while conveying the idea that language is ever changing, Lippy covers that language death can only happen when a language stops changing, which is a big view that's viewed between language mavens who view that language should not change and are traditionalists in how it should be spoken between good and bad language and prescribing that, versus linguists who decide that language is ever changing and that a language that doesn't change dies. So they view it in a descriptive way, where that the community, if they understand it, means that the language is growing. Um, the idea that there is no language hierarchy within one language, so English to French or French to Spanish, no one is better than the other. Um, and that there is a grammaticality that varies between linguists and non-linguists. As long as an idea is communicated so that the users understand it, then that is still grammatically correct in the view of a linguist, where it could just be a string of words that maybe don't make sense and it doesn't quite convey a clear idea, so that doesn't count as grammatically correct to non-linguists. Also, the final idea that I viewed important from this chapter was the language acquisition device that Noam Chomsky found out, which is essentially the innate idea that we are born genetically with the tools to learn and understand language, whereas writing language is something that takes years to understand and is used for the purpose of recording.